Well, welcome to this product demonstration video where we're just going to show you the Valuemed short or compact queen square reflex hammer. This is a classic design reflex hammer in a short handle version, ideal for pediatrics or putting in your pocket or the GP's bag just for carrying around if you want something that's mobile, still going to give you a good reflex option when you're out and about. This probably meets the job. The handle and head, I want to point out the weight and quality that you're getting in this. It comes cellophane wrapped when you first get it from us. The head removes into two parts. You've got a central stainless steel central ring section which comes apart for cleaning. The handle again is made of white vinyl, tip on one end with a sharp point for again getting your plantar reflexes, and the screw end just screws directly into the hammerhead, and there you have it. Simple construction. A nice, short, compact hammer. You don't get much of a hammer action movement or flexibility in this short version, so you do have to work with your action to elicit your reflexes, but a good size quality head on there will allow you to get a good reflex action if it's present, even using this short hammer. This is the 21cm version. The standard one that you'll have been trained with is usually slightly longer than this at 32 centimeters, and we also do the extended 38 centimeter handle where you're really wanting to get a good oscillation on the hammerhead to elicit your reflexes. But for a compact version, this is as good as it gets in terms of the quality of manufacture, with a robust thick handle and a nice heavy head with a good thick rubber action around the head to give you a comfortable reflex elicit. So we'll put a link on the bottom of this video just taking you directly to where these are on option on the UK Valuemed website.